Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ritish and today's video is going to be a little different than what we usually do on the channel. So this video is going to be just an update on what's happening in my life and what can you expect on the channel next. So first thing first, I wanted to address this sudden background change is because right now I am in my hostel. Yes, I am a design student. So I had been enjoying a full-time freelancing career as the colleges were operating online, but since they have reopened offline, I have been struggling to find time for everything that I do, which is YouTube, my freelance assignments and my life in general. So I try my best to post at least a video a week on YouTube, and I will keep that going for sure. And I will try to be a lot more active on Instagram as I haven't been lately. Coming to the part what can you expect on the channel next, I have been working on a Pixel 6 demo ad which I will share as soon as it's done, and following that advertisement there will be naturally a breakdown video on how I made the ad from scratch. Before the pixel ad, there is a possibility that I might upload an uncut version of my approach to making an interior scene from scratch. So yeah, that's about it guys. I just wanted to quickly address my audience on what's happening with my life and what can they expect on the channel. Some of my videos have been performing quite well and I'm very happy with the progress that we're making. Hopefully it's a lot more to come. You can follow me on my Instagram handle here. You can also check out some of my work on my website, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.